How to disable auto join all meetings on Otter AI. First thing first, go ahead and open up your web browser and simply search for Otter AI. And once you have done that, hit enter. The next thing you have to do is open up the link that you see here, otter.ai. And once you've done that, you just need to make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you'll find your home page right here. And as you can see here from my homepage, I can find my profile icon at the left side of my screen. Just click on this drop down. Then you'll have a pop-up come up. Then click on account settings. And now from here, you have different tabs up top. Just head over to the meetings tab. And once you get here, you can scroll down a bit, and right under auto note taker, you'll have the default auto join settings. You just need to go ahead and click on this meeting with a video link drop down. And you can select meetings where I am the host. So you can only auto join the meetings if you are the host, if you select this option, or you could just select meetings I manually select. So after doing this, you will be able to disable all the auto join options on Otter AI. And if you want to turn off auto join for specific meetings, you're going to have to visit your calendar here, and you can edit those kind of settings on your calendar. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.